Hi, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is my beautiful pour over mesh coffee filter by Ireum. So this filter is so beautiful. First of all, I love this rose gold color that you have. So if you are a coffee drinker, you have to pick this up because one, it's so quick and easy. No more paper filters, no more having to clean a giant coffee machine, and it just kind of takes the joy out of making coffee. This is so easy to clean and so easy to use. So you just set it on your cup that you're gonna brew on, or you can put it on top of a glass pitcher, maybe from a French press. If you're making more coffee and you have all of the measurements inside, so you know if you want to make for yourself, how much to put in, or if you want to make for more people, you have 20 grams, 40 grams, and 60 grams listed there. I typically, when it's just me, make my coffee pretty weak, so I love that I can control how strong my coffee is. And if I have guests, I love that they can use this easily. So it doesn't really require much explanation. Unlike a coffee pot, you have to leave instructions how to turn it on and everything. And it's just so easy to use. Another great thing is that it's really durable. It washes really well. I hand wash this. You also have a silicone base that you can take off and wash if you'd like, but it prevents it from slipping when it is sitting on your mug. I think you're gonna love it as much as I do, but that's just my point of view.